Exercise number 1. Build a class named book with private variables for title and author. Create a constructor to set these variables during object creation. Implement getter and setter for each variable to access and modify them. Create an instance of the book class, set its attributes, and retrieve them using getters and setters. Please pause this video and begin writing your code once you have understood the question. You can unpause when you are ready to move on to the next question. Exercise number 2. Create an animal class and a dog subclass. Each class should have one variable and one method. Demonstrate you can produce the following output. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 3. Create a shape class with a method named calArea. Build two subclasses circle and rectangle, both inheriting from the shape class. Override the calArea method in both subclasses to calculate the area for a circle and a rectangle. Demonstrate method overriding by initializing instances of both the circle and rectangle classes, and then invoking their calArea methods. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 4. Modify exercise number 3 to overload the calArea method in both subclasses to compute the area for a circle and a rectangle. Showcase method overloading by initializing instances of both the circle and rectangle classes, and then invoking their calArea methods. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 5. Construct a vehicle class with a method named drive that prints the vehicle is moving. Derive two subclasses from vehicle class, SUV and truck subclasses. Override the drive method to display a unique message in the SUV subclass. Overload the drive method that accepts customizable messages in the truck subclass. Demonstrate the use of these methods by creating instances of both subclasses and calling their respective drive method. Please pause the video and start to write your code.